So guys, this is the HR SH5HD drone. Thanks to rcmoment.com for sending me this drone for reviewing purpose. If you want to buy this drone, the link will be in the description box below, and also you can get $6 of discount if you use this code for buying the drone. So here is the box of the drone. Let's quickly unbox it and have a look to the accessories which we are getting in the box, and have a look to the star of the show, which is the drone. So guys, here is the box of the drone. So guys, here you can see that the drone and all the other accessories which we are getting in the box. I need to set up this drone. So 3, 2, 1, boom. So guys, this is the drone, and also this is the controller of the drone. You need to install the application first for taking photos and videos through this drone. The build quality of the drone is very good. It's in a plastic body. I will show you the footage later in the video. Guys, the price of the drone is very cheap. You can get it for only 49 bucks, which is a great deal for this kind of drone. So guys, let's quickly talk about its key features. It has Wi-Fi real-time images transmission, 1080p camera, which is actually not a 1080p. It has headless mode, one key automatic return mode, high-low speed modes for both beginners and experts, and also 2.4G technology adopted for anti-interference. So guys, now it's time to test this drone out. I will show you the clip of the drone during flight. From the clip, you can get a good idea about its video quality. Having been said, let's take a look to the clips. So guys, this was my review about HR SH5HD drone. You have seen the footage, you have seen the everything. If you want to buy the drone, the link will be in the description box below. It's up to your choice. Having said that, that's it for the video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having been said, thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.